Today's video, we're going to show you the next step along the way for how to flip property, how to wholesale, how to get your real estate business finally started if you haven't done a deal. Today we're going to talk about deciding the list you're going to market to for your flipping, for your wholesaling, okay? This video is for people who haven't really done wholesaling or flipping before. If you are an expert at wholesaling and flipping, you're not really going to learn anything in this video. It's probably gonna be a waste of time. So, you can just move on. It's okay. Still here? You can go. This video is for beginners to get them going. We run a business that does 5 to 10 deals per month, and I've broken it down into 13 steps on how to get started flipping properties. Today, we did a video first on the full rundown of the 13 steps, and now we're going in depth, well, as in depth as you can get in 5 minutes. 6 minutes maybe on these 13 steps. All right, so today we're going to talk about what list do you pull to get started finding a deal, doing a deal. All right, the most important thing about pulling a list for your wholesale and your fixing and your flipping and your real estate is what we call pain points. Pain points, okay? So what is a pain point? A pain point is a homeowner who has a problem. It's somebody who's behind on their mortgage, behind on their taxes, going through divorce, somebody's died, lost their job. Those are the people that we want to go ahead and market to, okay? A lot of these lists are public record. You can pull them from the county record. Well, most of them are actually. You can pull them from the county record. There's places like PropStream and ListSource. I think Realty Track as well, where you can pull these lists with pain points. So you want to download those lists. If you get it straight from the county, often it'll be free. If you go to places like listsource.com or PropStream, there will be a little bit of a fee involved, but super cheap, very, very cheap. What I love about wholesaling and fixing and flipping is our average profit on a deal is $10K to $30K for a wholesale deal, where all we do is drop my papers, get it under contract. All right, so pick this up. The contract is an important part of your business. So I spent $1,000 getting an attorney to make this for us, and if you want a free copy of this contract and this 0 to 100K cheat sheet, go to dustinhahn.net/start and you can get a free copy of it there. Watch the video, check it out. I think you'll like it. If you don't, tell me in the comments, man. Just rip into it because, that's important. All right, so pain points on the list, all right? Pull that list of pain points, and then what we're going to go to, actually, I'm kind of combining step 2 and step 3 here. So the next video will be step 4. So ListSource, Realty Track, pull the records. Now, if you want to get one deal, here's what's important. You're going to need 3,000 to 5,000 records, okay? 3,000 to 5,000 records, and you're going to, in the next video, we're going to talk about sending mail, but here's the numbers you can expect. If you are pulling 3,000 to 5,000 records and you're sending a postcard, probably going to get about a 0.5% response rate. All right, so 0.5% response rate, 3,000 to 5,000 records. So you might get maybe 30 to 40 phone calls from motivated sellers. And then at that point, 30 to 40 phone calls will lead to maybe 5 to 6 people who are willing to accept an offer at 65% of market value minus expenses. That's generally the wholesaling formula in markets around $150,000 to $200,000, give or take. So for every 4 to 5 home visits you go on, you should be getting one deal, okay? The average profit on a deal, if it's a wholesale deal, should be anywhere between $10,000 to $30,000. And once again, all you should generally have at risk is the earnest money deposit on the contract and the amount of money that you're using to market. So when you're marketing on this stuff, average cost to get one of these deals could be around $3,000 to $5,000 by the time you send the postcards and this and that. But that's one heck of a great profit for such a minimum risk. So once again, my goal in these video series is to simplify this process for you and just help maybe motivate you to take action and do this stuff. As they say at NASA, this isn't rocket appliances, all right? It's simple. You just need to take action. Just follow along and don't be a keyboard jockey being like, it doesn't work. It does work. If you're saying it doesn't work, you haven't done it. You haven't tried it. That's my beef. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, we're not selling anything. We might sell it in the future, but we got a wholesale fix and flip starter kit for you. 4 crucial things to avoid when starting out. The repair estimator sheet for how much to offer, and the contract that you can use and get started, the 0 to 100K cheat sheet. To start, go to dustinhahn.net/start. You'll see a video. You can download it at the end. 100% awesomeness guaranteed. Thanks for watching. See you soon.